Well, the building, first off, is massive. And so we've had to get used to that. I think overall the staff is pleased with the building, more space, things look well. It gives you a feel with respect to being in a legal atmosphere. So I think from that standpoint, it's going pretty good. Well, it's like moving into a new house or anything. I mean, you got to get used to that particular aspect. It's got its bugs to it as well. Being in a new venue, you have to get used to the fact that you're in a new venue. The courtrooms are designed differently, so we're getting used to that aspect of it. They're larger. When it comes to sound, volume, things of that particular nature, we've got to make some adjustments because in the Coleman building, the courtrooms being a little bit smaller, you didn't really have to worry about projection, things of that nature, which over here, you got to do that. The courtroom itself is what I've used more than anything else. That's where I spend the majority of the time. It is good to be able to come straight from the courtroom and walk almost pretty much into your chambers. You do walk through the hall, very, very long hall at that, but at the same time, everything is very close in its proximity and things of that nature. What have I used the most? Stairs, really. I was used to using the stairs over in the Coleman as well because I don't ride elevators that much, so I use the stairs here. They're a little different than the stairs in the Coleman building, because in the Coleman building, the stairs are enclosed in the inside. Here, they're out in an atrium. So as I'm walking up and down the stairs, I get to see pretty much the whole building. I get to see people, get to see lawyers and everything. So that's a good feature for me. Knowing what Judge Gadsden stood for in this community and having this building named after him is immensely gratifying. I look up there all the time, look at those pictures for him swearing me in as a jurist. In that conversation, he gave me those books, which are his brief books that he used when he was in practice just before he got appointed to the bench. So I thought it'd be good to make sure that those were properly displayed. I think he was an epitome of what jurists ought to be. Always patient, always polite, always engaged in the proceeding that was going on. Very, very astute with respect to his pen. He would give you the time that was necessary, always listening, patient. So I think that the building's name is very, very apropos.